With the existing project open with our base system, from the top menu select Tools, Create and Package New IP, click Next, create a new AXI for peripheral, next, let's give it a name, next. On the next page, we can configure the AXI bus interface. For this tutorial, I have chosen multiplier, which we will use AXI Lite, and it will be a slave to the PS. So for now, we will stick with the default values and click Next. Select the Edit IP, click Finish. Another vivado window will open, which allows us to modify the peripheral which we just created. At this point, we will be under another vivado window. The peripheral that has been generated by vivado is an AXI Lite slave that contains 4 32 bits read and write registers. We want to add our multiplier code to the IP and modify it so that one of the registers connects to the multiplier input and another to the multiplier output. Now we need to add our multiplier VHDL code to the peripheral. In order to do that, I have prepared a simple multiplier, and we have the VHDL code already. So we choose the source, right click, add source, add or create new design source, next. From here, add files, select the VHD file, OK, and finish. The source has been added to the peripheral, as we can see it here. Now we need to instantiate it and connect it to the registers. In order to do that, we choose this top branch, then this one with the AXI inst, double click. Now in this code, at this point, before the begin, we need to add some codes. First, we need to declare this and also the output signal. And in the last part of the code, where it says add user logic here, we need to instantiate it. Okay. Now we need to find a line that has this one, break data out. Yes, inside the process. There is this one. We are looking particularly for this one. Let's change this to the multiplier output. Okay, we're good. And also we need to add it to the sensitivity list here instead of this one. And we are good. Now we can save the code. Okay, now we can see that the multiplayer code has been integrated into the hierarchy as we instantiated it. Now here in the package IP, let's go to the file groups and click on the merge changes from the file group wizard. We have the tick here, so we can move forward to the review and package. Click repackage IP and click yes. Vivado window for the peripheral is closed and we are back in the base system project design. So let's open the design. And now let's find our IP. IP. Okay. Now again, we run the connection automation. Ticked, auto, and OK. Okay, now the design should look like this. With the processing system, our IP, processor system reset, and the AXI interconnect. At this point, we are ready. We just need to generate our bit stream. Save. This might take a long time.